Alright, welcome to Box Elder's Driver's Ed course using the Canvas learning system. This is new to me as well, so patience is appreciated. Your home page will look just like this. Most of your assignments will be grayed out like this because you have to do things kind of in order. Not necessarily direct order, but you can't go to 3 until you've done 2, but you could do one of these if you hadn't done one of those. I don't know. Anyway, so let's go ahead. The class requirement, this is my information. These are just things that you're supposed to view, and until you view the first one, like the class requirement, you can't go to this and you can't go to that. So kind of go in order. This is the home page, but if you look up here, this kind of thing right here is called a breadcrumb menu. It tells you where you're at. Driver is the name of the course. Modules is the page that you're on, which you would also find here. It's just set to the home page. Alright, so you can work through the modules this way. So we would just click on the page or the link and it would take us to this page. It will give you kind of the information that you need. I'm going to edit this to make it a little bit more Box Elder specific, but anyway, especially down here, it's roughly the same. You have 10 weeks. That was on the internet when you signed up. So anyway, you can do that. Then you would just hit next down here. That would take you to the next assignment. There's my contact information, and you can go previous. We'll keep clicking next. This tells you what you are supposed to bring to the table. We'll hit next, and all sorts of things. So I'm going to go back to modules, and those were the things that got us here. Then I'm going to click on About Me because it's an actual assignment. This will tell you what you need to do for the assignment. This will tell you the rubric for the assignment to get 15 out of 15. And then it's kind of weird. You would think that the submit would be around down here, but to actually do the assignment you hit the plus sign over here that says submit assignment. Then you type it up like any type of email editor that you've ever used. It should be fine. You don't need to be fancy. This is a pass-fail class, so just try and make sure you keep around 10 out of 15 and you should be fine. This information is for me, so that we can get you in our system. It won't be shared with anyone. Don't worry about it. Now, you notice we're now in the assignments. We went from modules to assignments, but no big deal. In Canvas, there's multiple ways to find your way around. So it's loading. Alright, so on the assignment page, it will show you just the assignments. And it will show you your score once you've taken it. The majority of things we do in this class are quizzes. And as you go through the class, those quizzes are supposed to get you caught up with what's in the handbook, and there are other resources. The very last thing, and I'll remind you of this, it looks like I have already taken it off, but there's a really huge test at the end that you do not need to take, because that is when you're taking it for high school credit. We don't offer high school credit for this. There it is. It's this Driver's Ed Q1 Final. You do not have to take that. Anyway, so assignments and quizzes, you can find those there, or you can just do modules, and then just keep clicking through the next. When you submit an assignment, I am notified as the instructor. I will grade it, and then you can go back and look at your grades, and they will be updated periodically. Please try and keep up. There are a lot of things here. This is supposed to be equivalent to 30 hours of classroom instruction. If you ever need to contact me, you can either find me at the school, you can text me with my contact information, or email me. So anyway, good luck. If you have questions, go ahead and ask, and enjoy.